In this demonstration, we will show you how to view potential conflicts between events within the workzone database. Many of the features demonstrated in the database tool are also applicable here, such as changing the map layer or narrowing down your search criteria by filters or keywords. In this example, I will select a workzone from the table. When the workzone to observe has been selected, a list of potential conflicts will appear. You can modify the parameters by changing duration overlap or search radius. For each potential conflict, you can choose to view the applicable travel speed and duration, or write a message to the project manager to initiate a discussion. Upon selecting a potential conflict, the user can specify the input parameters for both workzones. The default values will be populated, but can be changed to match the most up-to-date information. The software will start the analysis and display the impacting queue for both the workzones for the duration of the conflict. At the top of the map, the user can use the hour slide bar to get a visual of the potential conflict.